You've brought in new clients, expanded the team, even added some new tools, but somehow it still doesn't feel smooth. Updates get missed, projects stall, and you're stuck being the one who connects all the dots. This is what we call growth friction. Your business outgrew its own systems. Teams are doing their best, but the processes and tools haven't kept up. It's not you, it's how things are set up. Before we jump into the solutions, if this sounds familiar, give this video a like, subscribe for weekly content like this, and share it with someone who's trying to scale smarter. When you're using different tools for sales, support, projects, and finance, it's easy for things to slip through. But when you centralize everything under one roof, like a unified business platform, your team works with the same data in real time. No silos, no missed updates, just one clean source of truth. Let's face it, manual follow-ups and pinging people waste time. With automation, your tasks move through stages without you pushing every step. A client signs a deal, the invoice gets created, a ticket is resolved, the customer gets notified. Work flows without the drag. Your data is already talking. Your dashboards should help you listen. Smart dashboards don't just report, they interpret. They show trends, flag bottlenecks, and help you make decisions fast. And they do it in real time, so you're never operating in the dark. If every new hire, client, or product forces you to figure things out again, you're on the wrong system. Scalable platforms let you add new teams, features, and workflows without reworking the foundation. That's how modern businesses stay lean and future ready. Business transformation means designing your company to scale without breaking. It's not just a tech upgrade, it's a mindset shift, one that frees you to focus on growth, not firefighting. And that's the goal, to build something that works even when you're not watching. Got questions about scaling smarter? Drop them in the comments or join us live on Zeno, our weekly Q&A where we tackle real issues with real solutions. Let's make your growth journey smooth, structured, and scalable.